Hey, Dr. Barton here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to self-assess for forward shoulder posture and forward neck posture, and then I'm going to show you how to treat it as well. So first thing we're going to do, if we sit at a desk, if we're in this position here and we sort of hunch over a little bit, what happens over a long period of time is that our shoulders go forward, our neck and head goes forward, and then our tissues in the front part of our body, they actually kind of draw up. And the way we can test and see if that's chronic or not is basically get against the wall that you have plenty of travel, and you're going to put your head, your behind, your heels, pretty much everything against the wall. You're going to put your arms up like this, and then you're going to go all the way up, and you're going to see if you can keep it all against the wall. Now, you're supposed to be able to keep it against the wall, just like I am. If you cannot, and a lot of times people look kind of like this, but if you can't keep it against the wall, it means you have forward shoulder posture, and it's chronic, and it actually comes from shortness of your pec muscles, and all this tissue in the front part of your chest actually kind of draws up. So if you do that and you see that you have this issue, and you probably have a little forward head posture as well, we'll talk about that in a different video, but if you have this is how you're going to treat yourself at home, and you almost have to treat yourself at home. You can't just treat, say in an office like this. I always give this as homework for people that have this particular issue. So here's what you're going to do. Two ways to do this. One is you can lay on the floor is the best way, and you could do it like this, where you're literally laying down as an X, and this is a yoga pose, so you're kind of in this position here, and you can just lay there and take like a power nap for, say, 10 to 15 minutes is really good. And that's one way to do this. You can also put the arms in this position, which is going to feel a little bit more stretched. I don't feel too much because I didn't have that problem, but if you have this problem, you're going to feel like your shoulders are kind of tight and your arms may not even reach the floor. And so you're going to let gravity sort of, push down against you and accomplish the stretch. And it takes a while. It takes months sometimes to fix this problem because it took years to get that way in the first place. So here's the next way we can do this. And you need a foam roller for this. So you lay the foam roller down. Now we're supported. This is a 6-inch foam roller. It's 36 inches long. And then we can go like this. Now you should be able to reach the surface of the floor with the foam roller, and this is a great stretch. I even feel a little bit of stretch myself, and this is just a great thing for people to do. Now you don't have to be static. You can actually kind of move your arms back and forth like this, and just feel the stretch in the upper part of your shoulders. So that is the activity, and you can do this for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, somewhere in that range. That is how you're going to self-assess and then actually stretch on the foam roller for forward shoulder posture. If you have any questions, leave the question in the comments, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.